I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Be at least level 150, equip a fast ship, and have teleport items ready. Once done, open the map and scan likely spawn zones. You need to minimize travel time. You'll also watch server timers or chat for recent pirate raid activity. This both increases your chance and prevents wasted runs. Make sure your combat kit is prepared. Quick mobility matters as much as damage output when the raid appears. You now move into active tracking. Join servers with fewer players or rotate servers fast to find a raid faster. Once in a server, scan the horizon for convoys, smoke plumes, or map pings that indicate pirate movement. If you spot an approach vector, intercept by plotting the shortest route and using speed boosts. Coordinate with 1 to 3 allies, assigning roles so that you counter the raid's strengths quickly. This makes the encounter predictable and controllable. You finish the encounter by focusing boss priority targets, looting chests fast, and extracting to a safe island or using teleport items to secure rewards. If the raid despawns before you arrive, don't linger. Note the cooldown and immediately switch servers to retry instead of camping the same area. If you get overwhelmed, retreat to heal and regroup, then re-engage with a clearer plan. This reduces losses and improves success over multiple attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.